getting certificate from Python, from SoloLearn in Python about coding or for data and SQL, the chocolate program, or chocolate project. Let's practice this project. A restaurant is creating a new dessert menu and wants to identify desserts with names that include the word chocolate. You are given the following desserts table. So this table of desserts, and you have the name here, and some names have the name of chocolate. Write a query to select the dessert name and the price, just only dessert name and price from desserts table where the dessert name containing the word chocolate. So we will write here the SQL statement. So select in capital letters just two tables, which is name and then comma, the price. These are the tables, and then from in capital letters the table called desserts. This desserts, not dessert, because desserts different from dessert. And then where in capital letters, where name, the field name, like in capital letters because it's a SQL keyword, and like here we will put كلمة chocolate which contains chocolate. So this chocolate, so we will every dish or dessert has the word chocolate. So before we will put the quotations here, the quotations and the single quotations, and here we have the percentage ID and the last percent ID, and between we will put the word chocolate, and then we will run. I think it will work optimally if there is any conditions or any okay, working. So if there is any question, ask, don't hesitate, and I will reply you as soon as possible. Please like the video and share it with others and subscribe to the channel. شكرا. Thank you.